I'm working as a senior Python developer in Techneith. So today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Odoo with your Tableau Cloud. So before starting the demonstration, I wanted to show you, you guys already read in our FAQs of the Tableau Direct Connector. We have mentioned here we don't have a direct connector for the Tableau Online or Cloud, but you can use this connector or you can connect your Tableau Cloud with Odoo. So what Tableau desktop will do, basically you can, with the help of Tableau desktop, you will publish your data source or worksheet in the Tableau Cloud, and you not need to publish it again and again after refreshing from the Tableau desktop. Instead of that, what you can do, you can use the bridge client software, which will directly connect with your Odoo and refresh your data source or workbook periodically or manually, whatever you want. So let's explain. I'll show you how the things will work. So for the demonstration purpose, I have already taken one table, product underscore template, and I'll publish this workbook, and I'll show you how you can use the Tableau bridge client to refresh this data source or workbook. So I have already connected my Tableau Cloud with my Tableau desktop, and here I'm going to publish my workbook. Here you can fill the basic details and publish your workbook. So it will publishing on your Tableau Cloud, and the time will taken, it depends on how much number of rows in your data source or worksheet should have. So you can see here the workbook is published successfully, and what you need to do basically, so for using the refresh option, the refresh option will not directly work on the worksheets level because of some security reasons in the Tableau Cloud. So for using the refresh option, what you need to do, you need to connect the Tableau bridge client software with your Tableau Cloud, and after that you can use the refresh, manual refresh or periodic refresh, whatever you want. So let me show you how the things will work on the Tableau Cloud side. So for the demonstration, I have already connected my bridge software with the Tableau Cloud. So you just need to install the bridge software and fill the login details of Tableau Cloud, and it will directly connect your Tableau Cloud. So here you can see my bridge software is looks like that in my taskbar here, and you can see also it's showing no link data sources found yet. So it's showing because I have not connected any of the data sources with the Tableau bridge. So let's connect one data source and I'll show you how the things will work. So for using the refresh option, what you need to do, you need to click on the edit workbook. After publishing the workbook, you need to publish the data source as well. If you are publishing a workbook, then you need to do this then you need to follow these steps, because just like I already mentioned, Tableau Cloud will not allow refreshes workbooks directly. You need to first publish the data source of that workbook, and then it will allow you to refresh. So I have published the data source of that workbook, and the data source looks like that. So what you need to do here, the next step will be you need to edit the connection of that data source. So you need to enter your Odoo username, and you need to enter the password here, and also here in the network type you need to select the private network and click on the save button. So what it will do, it will directly connect your your Odoo. So you can see my connection is successfully established. Now I can use the refresh option. So here you can refresh by two ways. Either you can use directly the refresh extract option from here, or you can directly schedule it with bridge client. So the option, the refresh extract and refresh extract now option, both will work with the help of the bridge client. So let me go on my Odoo site and let's update one of the. Let me go in the product section and let me open the product ID 1. So this is my product ID 1, and let me edit my internal reference number. So in my Tableau site, in my connected workbook, I'll show you. You can see the product ID 1 has a default code XYZ and name is something like that. So we'll edit the name and default code on my Odoo side, and I'll show you how the refresh will work on my Tableau Cloud side. So let me go on the Odoo site and let me edit the name. Let's say product A, and the internal reference will be product A ABC -ABC. So let me save it. And I'll explain you. So you can see my last refresh time, it is showing the December 27 1:34 p.m. and right now you can see my system time. So by default it's showing the published data source time. Okay, so let me refresh it and this will show you the latest refresh time. Okay, so what you need to do, basically you just need to click on the data source option button, and here you need to select refresh extract now and click on the full refresh, and now it's going to work. So it takes time based on the number of rows in your data sources. So let's wait for a while. So once the refresh will done, you will see the updated timestamp here. So let me refresh the page, and so it's refreshed successfully. You can see the updated timestamp 2:16 p.m. So let me open the workbook and I'll show you the updated data. Yeah, so you can see we have changed the ID 1. Default code is product A-ABC and the product name is product A. So this is for the video. So that's it for guys, and I hope you will understand now how you can use the Tableau desktop to publish your data sources, and how you can use the Tableau bridge client to connect your Tableau Cloud and use the refresh option manually or periodically. So also you can send the data source refresh directly to your bridge client as well. So how? Let me explain it. So what you need to do, you need to click it here, and you need to click on the schedule bridge legacy option, and it will show you the interface like that. Here you need to select your bridge ID. So this bridge ID you will see here, this one. So you need to select your bridge ID and you need to set the time as far as you want. Let me choose the daily one and the day wise, and let's say 15, and I want it to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and click on create. So what it will do, it will basically send your refresh task directly on the Tableau bridge. I'll show you how. You can see the data source name, product template, data source, and you can see the caution option here. It's showing because from the Tableau bridge client side, we also need to mention the credential for your Odoo. So let me edit it. And fill the password and click on save. So here the job is scheduled successfully. As you see, it's 3 p.m. and if I want, I can refresh it manual as well. So let me refresh it manually. So here you can see the 4 options: edit and schedule, change the schedule time, and you can run this scheduler right now if you want, and the remove button. So let me run the job right now. So I need to click on run now button here. So it's running. So you can see the last refresh time is 2:16 p.m. right? And it will show you the latest timestamp as well after the job will done. The bridge will refresh the job successfully. You can see the updated timestamp here, 2:22 p.m. Okay, so that's a way bridge will work. So it's up to you. You can directly use the schedule refresh extract now option or refresh extract. So what it will do basically, the difference between the bridge schedule and the Tableau default extract schedule option is, when you use the extract now and extract option, so what it will do basically, it will refresh the extract here, and what it will do, it will internally connect with the Tableau bridge client and send it job to the Tableau bridge client and refresh the data source. And if you use the schedule bridge option here, so what it will do, it will directly schedule your job to the bridge, and it will maintain the live connection between them. Your data source is automatically refreshed based on your scheduled time, and you can see the live connection here. You can see the data source connection is live right now. So that's it for now. Thanks for guys. Thank you for your time, and that's it for this video.